All right, here we go. Check this out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple iPhone SE 2020. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below, so please go ahead and check it out there. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here from Apple. As always, we got the 128 gigabyte version in product red. It was only $50 to double the storage in this phone, so I highly recommend doing that. Instead of $399, I paid $450, so I'm really happy to get 64 extra gigabytes. Guys, this is just going to be an unboxing video only because I want your guys' feedback below to let me know what you want to see in the review video. I plan on releasing multiple videos about this product, and I need your guys' help to let me know what you want to see. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have our safety and compliance information, followed by our product red card. Then you can see we have our SIM removal tool right here, showing us how to eject the SIM tray. Then we have our welcome to iPhone card, walking us through some of the buttons and controls. So we have our side button that we can hold to turn on the iPhone, or we can press it to sleep or wake. Then we have our Touch ID right here that we can use to unlock the iPhone with the home button. On the back side, we can learn about the ring silent switch, volume buttons, tips as well, so check out that app or visit their website. This also supports wireless charging with the screen facing up on any QI certified wireless charger. And last but not least, they have the lightning connector right here we can use to charge the iPhone or connect additional accessories. Then you can see we have our Apple stickers. We have some wired earbuds, USB to lightning cable right here with your standard wall charger, just your USB wall charger. This is a 5-volt, 1-amp wall charger for the device. Then we have the iPhone SE itself right here that we're going to look at in more detail right now. On the front, we have our 4.7-inch Retina HD display. You can see our Touch ID and home button at the bottom right here. We got the nice black screen on the front. It provides a nice contrast with the product red coloring on the back and the sides. You can see we have our 7-megapixel front-facing camera that can record full 1080p HD video at 30 frames per second. And this camera is equipped with stabilization, and it has a 2.2 aperture. We can look at it from the side right here. You can see the side button and our SIM tray. Really nice red coloring all along the bumper. We can see it from the bottom right here. So there's our lightning port. We can see it from the other side as well. So we have our silent and ring switch and our 2 volume buttons. Here it is from the back side. It's such a beautiful phone in the product red coloring. You can see the product red logo down here. Compared to the iPhone 8, the Apple logo has moved to the center of the screen. So that's how you can tell the iPhone 8 apart from the iPhone SE 2020. They both feature the same camera. This is a 12-megapixel camera, 1.8 aperture. It can record up to 4K resolution at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. This also has stabilization as well. This supports wireless charging on the back, so always charge it facing up. And this has the A13 Bionic chip inside that helps us get better image quality out of the iPhone 8's camera, so you'll see a pretty big improvement. So I'm really excited to review this phone for you guys. Please let me know in that comment section below what you want to see included in that video. Maybe you watched some other videos online and you felt like some things were missing or left out. I want to be sure to include them in my review. I plan on releasing multiple videos around this iPhone SE, so be sure to leave your comments and suggestions below. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? and subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.